Hello, in this video I will be going over the steps necessary to perform a successful in-place upgrade from your existing Operations Manager environment, whether that is 2016, 1801, or 1807 to 2019. What you will see in this video is my lab performing an in-place upgrade from 1807 to 2019. This is Tom Ziegler, and if you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you can get notified when new videos are posted. Also, everything that I mention in this video, I will put a link in the description below. With that, let's get started. Before we get into the upgrade, there are a few very important pieces of information. Those would be the product lifecycle, the upgrade requirements, supported upgrade paths, and the pre-upgrade tasks that need to be completed before the upgrade is attempted. The extended support dates for System Center 2012 and 2012 R2 are quickly approaching. Updates and support for this version will no longer be available after the extended support date. Also, something to note, there is no direct upgrade path from 2012 or 2012 R2 to System Center Operations Manager 2019. Operations Manager 2016 is still covered under Mainstream and Extended Support. Mainstream support is referred to as the first phase of the product's lifecycle. The Extended Support phase follows the Mainstream support for products governed by the fixed policy. Operations Manager 1801 and 1807 are both out of Mainstream and Extended Support. This means no support, future updates, or hotfixes will be made available for these versions. Another note when it comes to upgrading to Operations Manager 2019, besides the supported upgrade paths, is the supported versions of SQL Server. Only SQL Server 2016 and 2017 are supported with the RTM version of Operations Manager 2019. Operations Manager 2019 will support SQL Server version 2019 with cumulative update 8 and later. Let's start by going in and looking at the Operations Manager event log on our management servers for any issues that may need to be addressed. If your event log is clean, then you should be able to proceed. As part of the upgrade setup, there is a step in the installation that includes a script to clean up the ETL tables. However, in cases where there are a large number of rows to clean up, it is recommended running the script before starting the upgrade to promote a faster upgrade and prevent possible timing out of the setup. As part of the pre-upgrade task, if you have any agents that need to be configured for failover, you should do that at this time. I do not have any that need to be configured for failover, so I will be skipping over this step. Before you upgrade a management server, you will want to remove any agents that are in pending management, either through approval or rejection of all agents. Another important step that we need to address is disabling notification subscriptions. You must disable notification subscriptions before upgrading the management group to ensure that the notifications are not sent during the upgrade process. If you have any third-party connectors, you would want to disable those at this time. Before upgrading the first management server in your management server group, you will want to go in and stop the Operations Manager service, the System Center Data Access and System Center Configuration Services, as well as the Microsoft Monitoring Agent on all other management servers so that you can avoid any issues with the operational and data warehouse databases while they are being upgraded. At this time, you'll want to verify that the operational database has more than 50% of free space before upgrading the management group, because the upgrade might fail if there is not enough free space. Also, ensure that the transactions logs are 50% of the total size of the operational database. At this time, you'll want to verify that you have recent backups of the operational and data warehouse databases before performing the upgrade of the secondary management server. You will also want to make sure that databases are backed up for your optional features such as the reporting and audit collection service databases before you upgrade those as well. As your agents may not be reporting in for some time during the upgrade, you'll want to ensure that they can queue their data during this time. You'll want to update the following registry setting on all agents manually or automated through a method such as Configuration Manager or an orchestration solution. Disabling the application pulls through the IIS service will also ensure a smoother upgrade process. Once you have extracted the media, go ahead and click the setup.exe. You will see a splash screen similar to the following. When you're ready, go ahead and click on Install and the setup process will begin. Go ahead and review and click Next. Accept the agreement, click Next. Specify your installation path. When you're ready, click Next. Your setup environment will require the same hardware and software as your previous environment. When you're ready, proceed through, specify your data access account and password. Once verified, go ahead and click Next. Now you're ready to begin the upgrade, go ahead and click Upgrade. I will speed through this installation process as this could take up to 60 minutes to complete. Now that our setup is complete, you will see a warning next to the Operations Manager server. This is normal as you are now in a unlicensed version and will need to specify your license. At this time, let's go ahead and upgrade our remaining management servers. Using the same setup.exe, you'll see the splash screen as we did before. Go ahead and click on Install and the installation will begin. Go ahead, click on Next, accept the agreement, click on Next. Choose your installation path, click Next. It will verify the hardware and software requirements again, click Next. Specify your data access account as we did previously and verify the password, click on Next. And then when you're ready, go ahead and click on Upgrade. This installation will go much quicker than the previous, and once it is complete, you should see all green checks. Go ahead and click on Close. At this time, with our upgrade completed, you will want to go back in and re-enable any subscriptions that were previously disabled. Also, you will want to re-enable any third-party connector services that you have previously disabled. At this time, go back in and reset your agent health cache service size, either through the means of Configuration Manager or through orchestration. Also, at this time, you will want to go back into IIS and re-enable the application pools. With our upgrade completed, we want to verify that our environment is healthy. Go into Monitoring. Under Operations Manager, click on Management Group Health. Ensure that we have all green checks and that there are no alerts or any issues with the management group functions or management group infrastructure. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up.